Welcome back, and this video is the part 2 of the EXMO.com Earn program and how you can maximize it and take advantage of the 1000% APY. On my previous video, I explained everything you need to know about EXMO.com and the Earn program. So in this video, I will just move straight in taking the action part. But if you want to know everything about EXMO.com and the Earn program, you just have to click that video at the top right corner, then it will take you to the previous video. So before I proceed, make sure you like this video and drop a sub to the channel, and also join our Telegram community so you can get any updates even before I upload them here on YouTube. Now, for those that watched the previous video, you can see that the EXMO Earn program is actually a way for you to maximize profit from your already existing crypto, which is also similar to staking and lending in crypto. But on EXMO.com Earn program, you can earn up to 1000% APY from Bitcoin, which is valid for 1 day, and it is only available to new users only. But outside that welcome bonus, you can actually earn up to 5% APY on Bitcoin, which is valid for 30 days with a minimum of 0.1 Bitcoin and 35 BTC as maximum, and also 5% APY on Ethereum. And also you can earn up to 17% APY from the EXMO.com native token, which is the EXMO coin, on this EXMO.com Earn program, which is also valid for 30 days. But at the end of the 30 days, in each of the crypto you selected, you can actually renew the contract, you understand. So for me, in this video, I will just be activating the 1000% APY. Then after the 1 day period, I will just move on to the next token, but I'll be focusing more on the EXMO native token because that is where the APY is. And I want you guys to also know that in the coming days, I'll be making another follow-up video to show my status on this EXMO.com Earn program and how much I've actually made from my initial deposits from these APYs I'm talking about. But since I'll be focusing more on the EXMO coin, I think I'll be making more profits than the other cryptocurrencies, you understand. And also, I would suggest you follow me along so you don't have to wait, so you can just express it yourself. So first thing you need to do is to make sure you click the first link below this video, then create an account on EXMO.com, verify an account and verify your address, you understand. You can also watch the first video on how to create an EXMO.com account and verify your account so that in few minutes your account will be ready. Now the next thing to do after you create an EXMO.com account is to deposit, and you can deposit in crypto and in fiat. So you can see that you can deposit US dollar, also you can deposit euros, pounds and the Nigerian naira. You can also see that when you scroll down, you can deposit crypto like BTC, USDT and others, you understand. So you just have to select the deposit method that best suits you. But remember that to deposit with Nigerian naira, you need to verify the card, you understand. So when I click on deposit on the Nigerian naira, it will take us to this section whereby you have to verify the card, you understand, just as it is stated here. You have to upload the card to confirm that you are the owner of the card. But to some people, this process can be stressful, you understand. So I would suggest you deposit with crypto like USDT or the crypto you want to stake with, you understand. But additionally, you can actually use EXMO.com as your primary exchange, which is what I'll be considering in the long run. So to deposit crypto, you just have to hover around the deposit and scroll down. You'll be able to see the second option, which is margin, but you're not going to focus on that. You're just going to focus on the cryptocurrency section. You can see that you can deposit EXMO, USDT, BTC and other crypto. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to deposit USDT, which we can actually convert to any crypto you want to stake with, you understand, like BTC or Ethereum. Now on this deposit section, you just have to select the network that best suits you. You can see that you can deposit with gift card if you have any gift card, just like I can send you $100 EXMO.com gift card, so you just have to activate it there, you understand. So for you to deposit outside gift card, you can deposit in the TRC20 network, which is Tron, ERC20, Arbitron, Optimism, Polygon, Ton and any other available network, you understand. So after you select the network, you click on create wallet. It's going to generate a wallet address for you to deposit, you understand. Then you can now send the crypto to exmo.com from any other exchange, you understand. But due to the fact that this platform does not support pay-to-pay yet, you can actually deposit with credit card or debit card, you understand. But you need to activate the card first, you understand. Then after everything, you'll be able to see that when you go back to your wallet, you'll be able to see the money in your account, you understand. So that's basically everything you need to know regarding the deposit. Then after you deposit the currency, you now need to swap it to the crypto you want to, you understand, which is actually easy. Now if you deposit USDT and you want to swap it to BTC or any crypto you want to take advantage of, you just have to come to this trading section, then put it on spot. You are not using margin, then put it on market price, then enter the amount of crypto you want to deposit, which is the amount of USDT. Then you want to swap to BTC, then click buy and wait for it to load up. And with that, it has been executed. So you just have to go back to your wallet. Now the currency will not be in your BTC balance, you understand. Now next up, after you deposited, you need to come to the EXMO.com Earn program section, then activate any crypto contract you want, you understand. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to activate this BTC 1000% APY for 1 day, you understand. But before that, you can actually pay attention to other contracts, you understand, like USDT, EXMO, DOT, Ethereum, and USDC. So when I click start, you'll be able to see that I need to enter the amount, you understand, for 1 day. So I just have to enter the amount of BTC in my balance. Then you can see that it is on basic, you understand. So after that, I just have to scroll down, click on I've read the terms and conditions, then scroll down and click start. Then you just have to wait for it to load up, and this success message will pop out. You can see that the end subscription will go live on the 16th, which is if you activate the contract a day before 12 a.m. in the midnight. It's going to wait till the other 12 o'clock in the midnight to activate, you understand. So you just have to click on okay, I got it, you understand. The same process applied to all the crypto pairs, you understand, like this BTC 5% APY and everything, you understand. So you can see that when I come to my subscription section, you can see that I actually have BTC on active, you understand, and it is on auto renew, you understand. So you actually receive an email on everything you're doing on this your EXMO platform, you understand. So this is exactly what I was talking about. For you to actually get the maximum APY, you need to have some certain amount of EXMO coin on your exmo.com account for it to be granted. For example, when you want to activate any coin or any other crypto contract like this USDT, you can see that this first level is 7% APY, and that is free, you understand. So you don't need to have any EXMO coin on your account. But the second option is it's up to 8%, but you need to hold at least 40,000 EXMO coin, while the 9% APY is to hold at least 90,000 EXMO coin, which is actually easy to get. You just have to swap USDT to EXMO coin. Then with that, when you come to this end section, the option will be open for you to activate it. So that is basically how to take advantage of this 1000% APY on this EXMO.com Earn program. So you just have to play around anyone that has good amount of APYs after you have activated the first 1000% APY, you understand. Also, I'll be making follow-up to this video, so make sure you stick around by liking the video and dropping a sub to the channel. And also make sure you join our Telegram community so that you can get the latest updates even before I upload them here on YouTube. And also you follow me on Twitter, which you can find all the links below this video. And as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.